This is Hammy. He's always the life of the party until there's an actual party. You see, Hammy likes to eat, and since he invites himself to every snack he sees, he's had to spend a lot of time behind his doggy gate whenever the humans host their families and friends. Easter, 4th of July, Christmas, and countless other events were never kind to Hammy, so he had a thought. If he could make a charcuterie board that both humans and floofs could enjoy, Hammy could spend more time being the life of the party rather than being a doggy gate stowaway. So the little chef got cooking. A lot. So much so that his tiny paws wrote a cookbook that he slyly titled Barcuterie. His mission to ensure that none of his floofy friends will ever be denied a tasty morsel again. Heroes come in all shapes and sizes, and Hammy definitely isn't one of them. He's just a hungry little hippo that likes to party.
Where's my legs? Ah, God!
Can you sprout an arm?
I don't know. Dad!
He sees hum.
Honey bag! Hammies?
Oh dear.
Oh, here's one! Huh. Shoes, sir!
These are mine.
Yep! We have a sale!
On my shoes?
Yep. Thank you, sir!
Where's the second shoe?
Buy one and get one!
That's not a BOGO.
Want to buy one more?
What? You're scamming people.
Scratch it! Oh! Cha-ching! Oh, hungry. I was.
Where are you going?
Oh, nice buffet. Why? All you can eat.
She means the costume, Ham.
Oh! Senior discount! Yes! That ends at 5! So tricky! Now! Almost! Okay! So funny! Yikes! I'm cheated! Help! Ham!
You just have to hit the buzzer first, Ham.
Oh, okay!
Now, for 2 treats.
Ready?
What is Hammy's favorite food?
Crayon!
That's incorrect.
What are crayons?
Ham, no!
I like crayons, Dad!
Hot dogs? The answer's hot dogs.
Oh, yeah! He likes grass, too! What now, God?
Hey, Liv, we have company coming over in a minute. Can you please wash the dishes?
Him!
He's done it the last 10 times, Olivia. It's your turn to do them.
Get back, Dad!
I'll see you in 10 seconds.
What's up, Liv? Hush!
Liv! Olivia, you're going to school.
What's wrong?
She's only sending me emojis. Use the bathroom. Let's go.
Hi, Poopsie, in there.
Okay, you can use the bathroom at school. Give me that.
Yikes! You can talk, Liv!
Ham, what's going on here?
Fruit salad! What fruit?
For who?
Cafe guest, Dad!
But Ham, where are the seeds?
The sprinkles? He ate them! But they're sprinkles, right, Dad?
Do you know what happens when you eat the seeds?
Nuh-uh! Ham!
What?
Yuck! What's wrong? Get that banana out of my face! Gosh! Oh no, Dad! Leviosa!
Hammy!
Double Gryffindor! 12 points left!
You guys want some soda?
That's Pop!
What's that?
That!
This?
This? No, hand that! Yeah, that!
Pop?
Liv, it's Pop!
Why pop?
It pops! Say!
Who calls it pop?
Not you! Clearly!
What should we use as this month's flavor?
Use everything!
Like salt and pepper?
And seeds!
Seeds too?
And onions!
And what will you call this?
And everything!
You're fired.
What's that mean? Subscribe! Comment! And like it, guys!